Hey guys, Matt here, Bear Bulls Trader. Just going over this Facebook trade I had today. I've been calling this the hang-on trade, and I'll show you why. But I had two hang-on trades today, actually. I had another one with Tesla that worked out really well, and this one was Facebook later on in the day. So um, what you're looking for on these trades is a strong stock that's up, and you want to get it on the way down when people are starting to take profits. So um, this actually kind of sold off a good bit, started coming up rejection. So step one on these trades, find where it rejects a major point or a double top or something like that. That's kind of telling everybody that the fund's over and to start selling. So you see across here, getting down on this buyback up. This is where the hang on trade gets its name. So people are just hanging on, buying and hoping and praying. I always buy on one of these little candles, the sticks if I can. So you can see here 194.24. So bulls are losing. 24 was about right here somewhere, and dump. And then it came back up. People are still hanging on to this thing, hoping, and they just get trampled. So I'm looking for 3-to-1 risk reward, and I'm selling 3/4 uh, of my stuff once it gets to that point. So my stop was right here around 194.60. So you can see I'm buying right here. If it's breaking up above these, I think the bulls win. So 194.60, 30-cent risk means 90-cent profit. So came down here, sold 25 shares, meant to sell 75, so I sold my other 50 here, and it actually popped up. So I think other people were taking their 3-to-1 as well. Came back down, kind of hung out here a little bit. So the rule for me getting out of these trades is we want to make sure that it breaks this 20 and it stays above the 20. So you can see here, broke, candle, no dice, coming back down. I actually added another 25, so whatever. So the rules that I have: sell 3/4, buy another of double what you have left. So I had 25 shares left. Added here 193.39, which is about here. I took it at the top of this, came down, bounce again, no dice. I didn't want to add any more there, obviously. Then you had another one. This is a little too soon for me. This was about 20 minutes. I wanted to be a little bit further than this. And I, obviously once, and then it broke the rule. It closed above, got the rest out 193.41 right about here. So once it started, I knew this thing was done for, and then as you see, it shot up. So this ad didn't do anything. Didn't really hurt me. Didn't do anything for me. Obviously, the goal is for this thing to keep going down and sustain this, but it did not. So good little trade. Obviously made my 3-to-1 on the first go around. Made about 2-to-1 by the time you factored in the rest of this, and that was it. So like I said, if you hear the hang on trade, that's what it is. You're looking for something that is just hanging on to this level at the 50, and I always use the 2-minute. Obviously it can happen at the 5-minute, or like even on the 15-minute. Actually, this was happening as I was going in this trade. So the hang on was on the 15 minutes as well, but obviously it didn't work on this go around. But like I said, hang on the 2-minute. That's what it is. So appreciate you guys watching, and I'll see you in the chat tomorrow.